Good morning, children. Welcome to EVS online class. So, in previous class, we started the lesson good habits. In that we are knowing about So, in previous classes, we started the lesson children good habits. So, in that we learned. So I taught you that 4 magical words. That is sorry, please, thank you, and excuse me. Isn't it, children? Yes. So, and also I taught you which are all the good habits. Some few good habits. Isn't it, children? So we recall it once that which are all the good habits. So first one is we should wish good morning to our parents and our teachers. When you came to the school, you should wish the teachers, say good morning, and in your home also. So at your home, you should say good morning to your parents. And then we should greet our elders and we should respect them. Isn't children? Yes. So you learned already. I taught you. Yes, in previous class. Just we recall it once. Before going to bed, you should say good night to your parents, isn't it? So we should always help old people and we should learn to be kind. So to everybody, so we should be kind and we should be polite. We should not rude. Okay, we should polite and softly. We should talk with others politely. Softly, so don't go to be rude. Okay, then you should not make loud noise. You should not make loud noise also. And when you are going from someone, you should say goodbye and you should keep your home, classroom, street and your park surrounding your place. So you should be keep neatly and all the garbages should put in the dustbin and you should always greet elders, isn't it, children? So and we should share the things to others, your friends, your sisters, younger sisters, younger brothers. So you should share your things too with your friends and others. And we should not talk in between the middle while they are talking when they are discussing in group. Don't talk in the middle. So if you want to talk in the middle, you have to say excuse me. Okay, children? And when you are sneezing, coughing, you should say excuse me or sorry. So, and we should always be friendly with our neighbors. And we should be always pray to God for good health and prosperity. These are all few good habits we learned already. Okay, in this class, we are going to do the next point, next topic, healthy habits. Which are all the healthy habits? See, textbook, open your textbook, page number 186. Page number 186. Okay, in that see the healthy habits. See, a clean body is a healthy body. We should take care of our body, isn't it, children? Always we should clean. We should keep our body clean. So we should keep our body to clean. So we have to follow some good habits. Okay, that which are all the good habits, healthy habits. See, yes, soundness of our body and mind. So health means soundness of our body and mind. Okay, so we should keep our health good. Means health means soundness of our body and mind. Okay. So we should take care of our body and keep it always clean. We should take care of our body and always keep it clean. To remain healthy and happy, we must keep our body clean. If you want to remain and you should keep smile always. Then you should keep your body healthy, clean. Okay, you should keep the body healthy. You should be clean. So unclean body can make us sick. Unclean body. See, clean body means you should regularly, every day you should take a bath. Every day when we are wake up early in the morning, you go to the, you should do the brush. Okay, brush your teeth and take every day bath, comb your hair, cut your nails. So these are all the things regularly you have to do, isn't it, children? So that is only cleanliness. So cleanliness. Okay, this, if you are not taking the bath every day, if you are not cleaning your body every day, so that unclean body make some sick. Okay, so it may causes us some sick. So we should keep our body, we should be healthy. So we should keep our health strong. So we should follow some good health. So we should some points. Which are all the points? I will teach you one by one. See, brush your teeth. Now only I told brush your teeth at morning, at night before going to bed. Keep cleaning. So if you keep cleaning means you should follow these all. Keep cleaning means first one, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth early morning and before going to the bed. Okay? Early morning and before going to bed. Okay, that means twice. You should brush your teeth at least twice a day. That means when you wake up early in the morning, you should brush your teeth, and before going to bed, you should brush your teeth. Okay, children? So, brush your teeth early morning and before going to bed. This is the one healthy habit. Okay? Then, remember, when you are cleaning, when you are brushing your teeth, remember you have to clean your tongue also with tongue cleaners. Okay, you clean your tongue with tongue cleaner. Not only brush your teeth, you should clean your tongue also with tongue cleaner. Clean the tongue with tongue cleaner. Okay. Not only clean your brush, not only brush your teeth. So you should clean your tongue also. You should clean the tongue with tongue cleaner and take a bath with clean water. Always you should take the bath. Every day you should take the bath. Okay? Take bath with clean water. Okay, take a bath with clean water and soap. Clean water and soap. You should use soap also to wash your body. Okay, to clean your body, you should use clean water and soap and wipe your body with a clean towel. Wipe your body with a clean towel. Okay, children. So, first thing, what you have to do? Brush your teeth early morning and before going to bed. Then, clean your tongue with the tongue cleaner and take a bath with clean water and soap. After taking the bath, you should wipe your body with a clean towel. Okay, then wash your hair regularly, comb it properly. So after that, you should wash the hair regularly. Okay, wash your hair regularly. Wash your hair regularly and comb it properly. So before coming to the school, you should do all these things every day. Isn't it, children? Yes. So wash your hair regularly and comb it properly at once in a week. Apply the hair also. Apply the oil also. Okay. You should apply oil also. Apply oil for your hair. Once in a week, okay, at once in a week. Okay, apply oil also for your hair at least once in a week. Okay, these are all the things your mommy will do regularly. So, mommy, what she will do? She will wake up early in the morning, then tell to you to take a bath, clean, brush your teeth, take a bath. Isn't my children, after taking the bath, she will give clean towel to wipe your body. Otherwise, she will only do all these things. Isn't my children? Yes, after that, she will comb your hairs, and she will give the dress, clean dress, uniformed, iron dress, washed, iron, clean dress she will give to wear the uniform. So isn't after that you have to take breakfast and you will come to the school. These are all the regular habits. These are all regularly you will do, no. Okay. So this is all the healthy habits. And see first one. So still more are there. See, I will recall it once. So brush your teeth early morning and before going to bed, and you should clean the tongue with tongue cleaner and take a bath with clean water and soap, and you should wipe your body with a clean towel. After bathing, you should comb your hair, wash the hair, and you should comb it properly, and you should put oil for your hair at least once in a week. Okay, then we'll see some others. So wash your hands with soap before and after meals. So you should regularly you should wash your hands before and after the meals. Okay, and also wash then after going to the toilet, and also you should wash your hands after going to toilet. Okay, so you should wash your hands. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Okay, you should wash your hands before and after every meal, and also you should wash your hands after going to toilet. Wash your hands with soap. Okay, you should clean. You should wash your hands with soap after going to toilet. Understood, children? So you should keep all these points every day. You should keep always in your mind. Remember always in your mind. Every day you have to apply in your day-to-day life. See all these points. See, before, after meals. So you should wash your hands, and after going to the toilet, you should wash your hands with soap. You should clean your hands with soap and change your clothes before going to bed. Isn't it, children? So from morning to evening, you are somewhere here, go to the school and you will come to the home, then you will go to play. So all that way, which cloth you are wearing, that all will become already dirty. So before going to bed, you should change your dress. Okay? Then always wear neat and clean cloth. Always you should wear neat and cleaned iron cloth. Always wear neat and clean iron cloth. So you should wear always neat and clean iron cloth. Okay. Then clip your hairs regularly. Keep them short and clean. This is the must. Okay. You should clip your hair. Nails. So that means you should cut your nails regularly. You should keep it neatly. So in classes, the PT sir will check you every day, isn't it, children? Yes, show me your nails. Are you cutting or not? Isn't no? So because that hand should be clean. So in that hand only we are eating, isn't no? So if it is dirty, then we have become. So it becomes sick. We have to become sick, isn't it, children? So that's why we should clip our nails. We should cut our nails regularly, and we should keep them clean and neat. And we should never bite our nails. So some children's habit is there. If they have some tension or if something, if every time they are keeping their hand in their mouth and they are biting like this. This is not good for health. It is very bad habit. Okay. Don't bite your nails. Okay. Don't bite your nails. That is also one thing. And then keep your nose clean. Every day we are telling. So, some children are every time running nose. So they have to keep one kerchief with always. They have to keep one kerchief with them. Isn't no, children? Some children are like doing like this. This is not good. So you should keep your nose clean, and you should use handkerchief while coughing and sneezing also. So you should wipe with a handkerchief so you should wipe your nose with handkerchief. While sneezing and coughing, you should use a handkerchief. You should use handkerchief also. Understood, children? These are all the healthy habits. Are you understood now? Yes. So these are all the healthy habits you should keep in your mind always. Now we will see how to become fit. How to keep our body fit. Okay? Keeping fit our body. Which are all the points we should follow. So, keeping fit our body, keeping fit. So, which are all the points we should be follow. So, in school, if you have regular classes, weekly twice you have PT. Isn't no, children? PT classes is going on. So, why? Because your body will be fit. To become a fit, if you do the exercise, then you will become strong, isn't it, children? That's why every week, twice or thrice, they are keeping PT in the school. So you should keep your body fit. Which rules you should follow? So you will see one by one. Exercise every day, like running, walking, and swimming, and some exercises. So you should exercise regularly. First one, to keep your body fit, you should exercise. exercise regularly. Okay, exercise regularly. Which exercise you will do? Like running, walking, and swimming. So, etc. And other exercise you should do. So, you should keep your body fit. You should do exercise regularly. Exercise means running, walking, swimming. See, early morning your parents will go for walk. Isn't it, children? Yes, because to keep body fit and they will take fresh air. Isn't it, children? So, you should keep your body fit. You should do the exercise like running, walking, swimming, and some other exercise you should do regularly. And keep the body and mind active. If early morning, if you wake up early morning, you will do exercise, your mind and body will be fresh. So you should keep your body, mind fresh always. Then play lot of outdoor games and keep fit. Okay, so you should play a lot of outdoor games. Play lot of outdoor games. So in games we have two types, indoor games and outdoor games, isn't it, children? So when they will send for PT, so the PT sir will do some they will do some exercises. So and you should play also some games. So he make him to play some games. That means outdoor games means throw ball, hockey, football, kho, kabaddi. These are all outdoor games. When you are playing all these games, your body will be fit. Okay. Then sleep at night early. Okay. You should sleep at night and wake up early. Sleep at night early and wake up early in the morning. Okay, this is one good habit also. Sleep at night early. See, in some homes they will sleep late night. Okay, after 12 o'clock, after 12:30. So they will go to bed. So that is not good. You should sleep at night early and you should wake up also early in the morning. So then at least you should sleep 8 hours. At least you should sleep 8 hours at night. Okay, 8 hours you should be sleep at night. These are all the healthy habit and also so you should keep your body to fit. You should follow these rules regularly. That means you should exercise regularly and like running, jumping, walking, swimming and other exercise you should do regularly. And some they will go for yoga, Surya Namaskar, isn't it, children? That is are all for good health. Okay, they are doing for good health only to keep fit their body. So they will do yoga exercise, some exercise they will do also. And you should play a lot of outdoor games. Outdoor games like hockey, throw ball, cricket, kabaddi, kho. These are all outdoor games. You should play outdoor games and you should sleep at night early and you should wake up early in the morning. And at least every day you should sleep 8 hours at night. Okay, at night you should be sleep 8 hours compulsorily. So these rules we should follow so we can keep our body fit. Okay, then we will see the other points that staying healthy. how we are staying healthy, which rules we should follow. We will see in the next class. Before conclusion, so we will see once again which are all the healthy habits and which points should be keep to fit our body. Okay, children, healthy habit means, so you should brush your teeth twice a day before going to bed, and when you wake up early in the morning, so you should brush your teeth, and you should clean your tongue also with tongue cleaner, and take a bath. Take a regular bath. Regularly, you should take a bath regularly, and with clean water and soap, and you should wipe your body with a clean towel, and always cut your nails regularly, and keep it clean, and you should comb your hairs regularly, and at least you should put oil, you should apply for oil for your hairs at least once in a week. So, and we should never bite our nails, isn't it, children? So we should never bite our nails, and we keep always our nose clean, and and we have to use handkerchief while sneezing and coughing, and we should use also handkerchief to clean our nose, wipe our nose. So these are all the healthy habits you should keep in your mind. So how to keep our body fit? So we should do exercise regularly, like running, skipping, jumping, walking, and some other exercise, Surya Namaskara, yoga. These are all the exercises we have to do regularly, and we should play a lot of outdoor games. So lot of outdoor games, and we should keep our mind and body active. We should keep our mind and body active also, and we should sleep at night early. We should sleep at night early, and we should wake up early in the morning, at least 8 hours, daily 8 hours we should sleep. So these are all the points to fit our body, we should follow to fit our body. So, and we will see in the next class, staying healthy, which are all the points we should take care of to staying healthy. So